Welcome back to our Ray Law Criminal Defense channel. We are so glad to have you join us today. Today, we're answering another viewer's question. Before we start, take a minute to hit subscribe and don't forget to enable notifications. Jackson writes, "My brother was recently charged with a crime he says he didn't commit. What should he do?" The question posed by our viewer is unfortunately something that occurs all too often. If you are ever falsely charged with a crime that you know you didn't commit, here's the best way to handle it. First, remain calm and collected. It is understandable that you'd be visibly upset, but becoming loud or disruptive in a way that prevents law enforcement from carrying out standard procedure could lead to a charge of resisting arrest or worse. Second, remain silent. Do not communicate any details about the crime you are being accused of to the police. Any and all information should be reserved for your attorney. Always remember that anything said can be used against you. Third, through your attorney, you'll want to request all relevant info regarding the time and date the crime took place, including witness accounts. You'll need to provide proof of your actual whereabouts during the time leading up to, during, and after the commission of the crime. The goal is to present information to invalidate the assertion that you were involved. Any phone calls that you made, witnesses that might have seen you, and places you visited, especially those with video surveillance, are all good sources of proof. Even time spent simply browsing the internet can be of use. Law enforcement can utilize the IP address of the device you use to determine where you were located. If you are requested to provide DNA evidence and your attorney advises you to do so, comply with the request. DNA evidence has proven highly reliable in proving innocence. Lastly, do not communicate with friends, family, or anyone else about any information you have about the crime, even if it involves your innocence. In the event that you know who might have or who actually committed the crime, it is information for your attorney. Also, do not contact any alleged witnesses. This can lead to a charge of witness intimidation or other similar charges. In our next video about this topic, we'll talk about the ramifications of filing a false police report as well as possible charges you can file if someone does this to you. Thanks to all our viewers who sent in questions. Keep them coming. Until next time, be safe and take care.